Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. Yes, I can see typing on the screen. That's definitely a handheld phone. Let's go right in there. What are you doing with your phone, mister? What are you doing with your phone, mister?
What's it got to do with you?
You're driving, you're on the public highway. I'm going to be reporting it to the police, who will most probably choose to prosecute you. If you get 6 points, then your insurance will double on the next renewal. Please don't use your phone behind the wheel.